Ang init, baby. Tara na, tarot tayo. Mag-push inside. And
Oh.
that is 33 pesos.
Okay.
And back in the day, these cookies were larger.
Oh, I see.
Now, pinaliit lang nila, syempre, kasi ang hirap naman bagit ng pork yung mix. Ganun mo, diba? So, that's it. So, I'm selling fortunes in bite-sized forms and in larger forms. So,
Okay.
tara na. Tarot na, babe.
Salamat.
Single day, like this bird and its flowers and the source of her livelihood and the colors that symbolizes her dreams, promises, aspiration,